Hey guys, Keith with Dirty Deeds Industries, and today we're going to show you how to install the 22 Tundra bolt-on, partial bolt-on slip-on exhaust system here at Dirty Deeds Industries. So because this is a partial bolt-on or a slip-on exhaust, we're going to actually use a lot of the stock exhaust system. Everything from here back is perfectly good by Toyota. They actually built a really good Y-pipe. The only thing is, instead of putting a flange right here, they just welded it straight to the muffler. So with our slip-on exhaust, we're going to make a cut. So if you measure from this point right here, the very front of the muffler, to 2 inches in front of it, where we've already marked, that's where we're going to make our cut. So let's go ahead and get it started. All right, so with our front pipe cut off of the muffler, we're going to go ahead and remove the tailpipe from the muffler section. We use a 14mm ratchet for that. All right, so the next step is we're going to go ahead and slip in the muffler section. The Bamuffler system is going to come with new bolts. You're going to actually reuse the stock gasket that came on the stock tailpipe. I'm going to go ahead and slip in the muffler side first into the Y pipe. All right guys, so the last step is to, after the exhaust has been slipped in, you want to use the clamp that we provide in order to crimp the exhaust to our system. And part of that process is we're going to go ahead and double check our tailpipe over here. You just want to leave enough gap. You don't want it to touch. Generally from the factory, you can stick your whole hand in there like that and just double check that, because that is movable until that gets clamped down. So you just kind of push down on it. That holds your gap. We're going to go ahead and put the clamp right at the edge where the two parts come together. And we're going to actually use it not only to hold it in place, but also to crimp the exhaust together. That way you don't have to take it and get it welded anywhere. We're going to tighten it, and then we're going to loosen it, and then we're going to turn it a little bit. Tighten it, loosen it, turn it a little bit more, tighten it again. We'll go ahead and tack it from the other side. And that's now crimped on there. We'll go ahead and turn this sideways so that there's no issues with ground clearance or anything like that. And that is our final torque of our 22 Tundra Bamufflers slip-on exhaust system.